Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdegam Chimthanawala. Today I'll be discussing the remedy arnica in relationship to eruptions or pimples, especially on the face. I have got very good results of arnica in relation to pimples, acne, eruptions on the face. Normally we don't use this remedy in our practice, but there are some very peculiar and identifying features of arnica that you should remember. Arnica is a remedy which is indicated for eruptions. You can have eruptions on the cheeks, you can have eruptions on the forehead, you can have eruptions on the lips, under the lips, you can have eruptions around the mouth, in the corners of the mouth. Everywhere arnica is indicated. Especially on the nose also, under the nose also, arnica has a lot of eruptions or pimples, And the most important part of arnica, acne are the acnes are indurated. ऐसी पोजीशन बोलेंगे गठान समान दर्द करता है, papules type. And in arnica, always remember, in most of the cases, or I would say most of the patients I have seen, the acnes are always painful. Patient बोलेंगे मेरे को बहुत दर्द करता है. That is arnica. This painful acne of arnica are very, very important, and you will notice that these patients of arnica have one acne here, one pimple here, one here and one here, or one here and then one here. That is absolutely, the acnes have symmetrical distribution. This symmetrical distribution of arnica is a very, very hallmark symptom for arnica. If you get this type of pimple, symmetrical distribution, एक ही pattern follow कर रहा है, तो do think about arnica. Even if the patient's skin is sometimes very greasy, oily, XYZ, but the symmetrical distribution of acne are there, do think about arnica, because this is a very, very important indication of arnica acne. Now, arnica with eruptions, with boils, also has eruptions which are crusty. They're very crusty, the scab formation is there, and especially on the nose, I have seen in many of cases where there is crusty eruptions on the nose. Of course, crusty eruption on the nose, there are lots of remedy. We can have Muxol also, we can have arnica, we can have silicia, we can have natramur, iodum, stephysagria, sulfur, lot remedies. But arnica, Muxol I have seen in many of the cases have given me very good results. As you go further in arnica, there are few symptoms of arnica that are also worth mentioning in respect to the face of arnica. When the patient comes to you of arnica, you can see a arnica face has basically a very vacant look, like this. A very vacant look is a look of arnica patient. Again, a very, very interesting symptom and a very, very interesting remedy arnica. It has a very vacant look, as if there is nothing. Vacant look. Now, if there is a vacant look in the expression of the patient is vacant look, do think about phosphoric acid, lachesis, I think, cocculus, belladonna, anacardium, camphor. These remedies also have vacant look. Or you can have in arnica, you can have a very important symptom that the look of the patient is very anxious. This anxious look of the patient in arnica also is very important, of course. Then if there's anxious look on the patient, do compare with Ethusa, Elianthus, Borax, again camphor, leccan, veratrum. These remedy also have a vacant look. Now, a very, very important indication of arnica related to face, there is a lot of formication. And write down in your mater medica, formication in the eyebrows. Patient बोलेगा ऐसे eyebrows को पकड़ते रहेगा. Formication, because there is a lot of formication in the eyebrows. चीटियाँ चलते ऐसे बोलेगा. There is formication of the eyebrows is a very, very important and a unique feature of arnica. Do compare two drugs with that. One is, I think, Ranunculus bulbosus, and second is Crocus sativa. But arnica I have found very, very important indication in formication in the eyebrows. And if the patient says there is formication here, here, that is around the eyebrows. If the patient says formication around the eyebrows, then, my dear friends, the only remedy you should remember is arnica. An arnica patient might have formication on the lips also, lips. That is also arnica. So these are the very, very important indications of arnica in relation to the face, especially pimples. I have seen a lot of cases in my practice. I have cured pimples where these indications are present in the patient. Sometimes if you're confused that the remedy is not matching, then look for these symptoms of expressions and the formication and the itching, especially on the lips also. Arnica patient has especially itching on the lips, especially the upper lip. that is also a very important indication of arnica. And the formication around the eyebrows, I will go one step ahead. If the patient tells you there is cramping in the eyebrows, that is also arnica. So there are a lot of symptoms in the eyebrows or around the eyebrows, that is arnica. Cramping of the eyebrows, again you have to differentiate with arnica with helleborus and Acaricus muscarius. So my dear friends, these are the very important indication of arnica in relation to face, and in particular in relation to the acne. So whenever this symptom comes, do think about arnica. My dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.